Luis? Ay, sorry. Jamie, ang crossing. Okay. Thank you. Alison. Ay!
Nagbibilang ng iyong hakbang hanggang ika'y aking mahagkan.
Bon. Na si Bon.
Wow, ang galing.
Jazer.
Wow. Wow.
Eh,
Wow.
Router. Thank you sa pag-spend ng time para sa mahalagang araw namin ni Kim.
Lahat pati itong aking mundo. Halika't sumayaw sa ilalim ng bituin.
Thank you sa lahat ng sacrifice nila sa akin. And sa pagpapalaki. Sana maging mas healthy pa sila sa mga susunod na taon.
Saksi ang langit sa ating
Kim, babe, una sa lahat, congratulations sa'yo. Kasi napakaswerte mo dahil ako ang nakatuluyan mo. At syempre, maswerte din ako dahil ikaw ang napangasawa ko.
huwag ka nang kabahan.
Ay, wow, ang ganda.
Panaginip lang. Hindi gumagalaw ang
Wow, princess!
paligid ko. Pati itong mundo'y tumitigil habang ako'y nasa tabi mo.
I believe you love each other. That's why we are here, tama ba? A simple definition of love is like this. Love is gentle, is not boastful, it bears everything, believes everything. In one of the greatest quotation about love, love it keeps no record of wrong. Remember, couple, we are prone to mistakes. Sometimes we commit sin. But if you love each other, everything that is negative or sin done by our loved ones, all of that will be removed by the power of love. So, pagyaman yung pagmamahal na meron kayo, ha?
You're the one I've waited all my life for.
Paul, we started as a co-work, then become friends. And before we knew, we found ourselves falling in love. There were no grand plan and no expectation that we would end up here. It just happened naturally. And looking back now, I wouldn't change a single thing about our story.
Lose the fire of our youth.
Madalas akong tanungin kung kailan ko na lamang ikaw na. At sa totoo lang, wala akong maibigay na sagot. Dahil hindi naman kita minahal sa isang iglap. Minahal kita sa bawat araw na lumipas, sa bawat usapan, sa bawat tahanan, sa bawat problema, sa bawat pangarap na sabay nating binuo. Unti-unti, tahimik at sigurado.
Be here when the sun sets, and I'll be here till our final breath. My love is all for you.
Our relationship wasn't easy. There are challenges, misunderstanding, and people who tried to come between us. But through it all, we keep choosing each other. We held on because we knew what we had was real. And together, we proved that our love becomes stronger when people are willing to fight for it.
When it's hardest, it won't
Maraming salamat sa inyo. Kung bibigyan ulit ako ng pagkakataong mabuhay, kayo't kayo pa rin talaga yung pipiliin ko.
Bago na.
Love you, Papa. Love you so much. Love you, Ma.
Thank you for being my papa. I am grateful that you are my papa. You and mama are the best. I love you, mama and papa.
Today, surrounded by our loved ones, ipinapangako ko sa ating dalawa, ikaw pa rin ang laging tama, ikaw pa rin ang laging masusunod, ipaglalaba at paglilingkuran pa rin kita hanggat kaya ng katawan. Ipinapangako kong patuloy kitang mamahalin sa paraang naiintindihan mo, sa paraang mararamdaman mo, sa paraang alam mong mahal ka.
is all for you.
Today, I don't promise that we will never argue or that every day will be easy. What I promise is no matter what happens, I will keep choosing you. I promise to support your dreams the same way you've always supported mine. I promise to be your safe place, your partner, and your biggest supporter. I promise to celebrate your wins, comfort you during your struggle, and walk beside you through every season of life.
On our shoulders, together we are stronger. Oh, together we are stronger.
Pero higit sa lahat, ito ang nararamdaman ko. Kung ang buhay ay kwento, ikaw ang paborito kong kabanata. Kung ang buhay ay awit, ikaw ang himig na nagbibigay sa bawat nota. Kung ang puso ko ay tahanang matagal nang nakatayo, ikaw ang ilaw na nagbibigay buhay sa bawat bintana. I love you, Kim.
I promise to continue building our home filled with love, peace, laughter, and happiness for us and for Amanda. Most of all, I promise that at the end of the day, no matter how difficult life gets, I choose our family. I choose us today and for the rest of my life. I choose you. I love you.
There's a world of endless color waiting for us to discover. Run into the open wide where dreamers come alive. We can see a new horizon. We can feel adventure calling. Step out on the open road into the great unknown. Here we go. 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 Here we go.
Now I pronounce you husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. Paul Jancy Apolinar is the bride. Go!
Here we go.
One, two, three, four, five. Okay.